My great-great-grandfather was born on a plantation in Southampton, Virginia. He was born to the Blow family. They eventually moved to St. Louis.
This is an excerpt from the series A More or Less Perfect Union, which debuted on the Nine Network April 15th. It examines key issues of liberty through the lens of the U.S. Constitution, including a case that began at the old courthouse and ended in a U.S. Supreme Court decision denying an ancestor of Lynn Jackson freedom from slavery.
At first it was just about their family, but ultimately it was about a nation. And my ancestor was Dred Scott.
This St. Louisan is one of many voices contributing to the series, hosted by U.S. Court of Appeals Judge Douglas Ginsburg. Judge Ginsburg was scheduled to come to St. Louis in March in his role as honorary chair of the Dred Scott Freedom Awards dinner. But the onset of the coronavirus canceled that event and our plans for a studio interview. So instead, we connected online to talk about the series and about the judge's fears that many Americans don't know enough about the document that governs the people who govern us.
Most people have some attitude or opinion about the Constitution, but most of them haven't read it. And that's a glaring problem in our society. We are citizens who are increasingly ignorant, and young people, the younger they are, the more recently they went to school, the less they know. Civics education has been downgraded or eliminated in many school systems, and there's a backlash now. I'm part of it. The program's a more or less perfect union, and we have the potential to make it more perfect.
For Living St. Louis, I'm Ruth Ezel.